there's a Joker, really big, bigger than them. And there's a balloon, just like the jail for Bing Bong. And then Bing Bong cried. His tears is candy. And then George Sadness step it. And then they go there. They see the candy, and then they go there. And after that, George said, and then they remove Bing Bong, and then they keep the balloon down there, and then and then they press just like a ball here, and then the Joker has wake up, and then he said, the Joker said hello, and then come with us. There's a party. And then Joker said, huh? There's a party? Come with me. And then he's supposed to attack her so that they can go out to the jail. And then the police,
Catch them.
no, the police run away. And then,
Oh, so the police is the one who ran away.
yes, and then they also run away to go to the train, and then after that, the train fall down. The train fall down. They go to a train. It fall down, and then to the home right now. And then they also, and
Is that it finished?
yeah, and then
We're almost get off. Bye. To be continued.
and then she used a thing so that she can fly away, go back to the family.
Okay.